This is the 7 Artisan 60mm f2.8 macro lens. My name is Albert and welcome to my unboxing and first impression video. I came across this lens when I was looking for a budget manual macro lens for my Sony A6400. This always comes up on all of my searches, so I purchased it, I got it, and now here's what comes in the box. Right from the moment you hold this lens, you can feel that it has a weight to it. The body has a solid construction which is made of entirely metal. This model is for Sony E-mount system. There are no electronic contacts because it is a fully manual lens. Noticing the outer edge of the mount, it's actually a bit raised to help prevent dust from going inside the camera when it is mounted. And this is how it looks with my Sony A6400 camera. The aperture ring is really smooth and declicked. It is very useful if you're shooting videos and want to change your f-stop value while recording. The number indicators are clear and easy to read. Focus ring is big and comfortable to hold. The dampening on this is really very good, at least for me. I can tell straight away that it is easy to get that sharp focus every time. It comes with this metal tube as a screw-on hood with an inner thread of 37mm, and you can attach a 39mm filters onto the front end of it should you need filters for your shoot. When you are not in the 1:1 magnification, the entire lens hood will be retracted inside. But when you're going towards that 1:1 magnification range, it will completely stick out the hood and you will have this kind of form factor. It could be an issue for others, but for me, I really don't mind it. Overall, this lens can easily earn a good first impression for me. Mainly for its number 1, the build quality. It has a full metal body. It may be a pro or a con for others, maybe it depends on how you're gonna be using it, but for me, I like the feel of its weight even when mounted on my camera. And number 2, the focus ring. It is just so satisfying to turn. I can say that this is very responsive. I mean, just to put it in words. I will try this lens for a couple of days and share with you guys my experience with it. And that's it. If you like this video, please give this a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.